everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Crédit Agricole customer service. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down Crédit Agricole and enter it. And from here select this Crédit Agricole website. And once inside this website you need to scroll all the way to the bottom here. From here select this contact. And over here, if you want to start with what you need is if you find any relatable issue here, contact the webmaster of the site. You can simply open it. And over here, you need to select this Credit Agricole Group Recruitment site. And from here, scroll all the way to the bottom here. So over here, you need to fill out the form. Under the object, you can simply select the object here. And you need to type down your last name and your first name as well. And your email address. And if you have any other references, you can also enter the references and you need to simply type down a message of your issue here. And after that, select send. And that is it. That is how you can contact Credit Agricole customer service. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.